Hello children and the beginners in kitchen. Welcome once again to my channel Easy Cooking for Kids by Shripa. Now today I've come with another very yummy and a great favorite recipe of kids, that is instant choco pies. The ingredients required for making these instant choco pies are compound chocolate, Milkmaid or Mithai Maid, milk powder, Marie biscuits. So children, first we'll make the filling of the choco pies, that is the cream that is to be made inside. So I have here milk powder. I am taking 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Now into this we'll add 4 tablespoons of Milkmaid or Mithai Maid. Now mix it well and make it a smooth paste. So guys, our cream or the paste is ready. Now I have taken a knife here to apply it on the biscuits. So I take a Marie biscuit, take a bit of cream, apply it on this. So this is how I have applied the cream. I'll put one more Marie biscuit on top of it. Fix it well. Again apply a little more cream. On top of this, I'll put one more Marie biscuit. Set it properly. It looks like a sandwich here. And similarly, I'll prepare the other biscuits even. So guys, our biscuits are ready. I've made them in a form of a sandwich. I filled the cream in between all of them. And this is how I've stuck them. And now I'll keep it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now children, by the time our biscuits are getting set, let us prepare the chocolate. So I have kept a pan over here and I'll pour some water in it. Now upon this bowl of water, I keep a glass bowl. It has to fix like this. And on this, I'll put the compound chocolate. Let the chocolate melt. This is the double boiler method by which we melt chocolates. So children, you can see our chocolate has got melted totally. Now we'll take it out. Our biscuits are also ready. Now we'll put the biscuits in this chocolate. So I have coated the biscuit properly with the chocolate. I am using a fork here. I'll take it out and keep it on the tray. Now I'll do the same for the other biscuits even. Dip it in the chocolate, coat it up properly and then place it on the tray. So guys, our choco pies are ready, coated with proper chocolate. Now we'll keep it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes so that it sets properly. So children, I've taken out my choco pies from the refrigerator. They are totally ready. Try this recipe out. Now I'll break one piece of it and show it to you how it looks like. So I'll break out a choco pie here and show it to you. See how nice it looks. It's so crispy and yummy. And you will definitely enjoy it. So guys, do try this recipe out, have it with your family and friends and enjoy. But do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.